I received this for free. How's it going? This little console table is so nice. I absolutely love this thing. It is a total staple of my room here. This is where I walk into my house, take my shoes off, put them in the bottom, 2 drawers, 2 sliding cabinets, and then 2 center cabinets, plus a fairly large counter space. There's a lot of storage space going on here, and that's something I always am looking for. This thing is super versatile. Every inch of space on this is utilized in some intelligent way. Nice deep drawers, deep cabinets. You get enough space at the bottom for maybe some storage bins, or you can do what I do and use it as a little sort of shoe rack. You can fit maybe 5 to 6 pairs of shoes down here, just depending on the size. I am always looking for more places to store my shoes, so this is very, very nice. I'm a big fan of the faux farmhouse neo-industrial hybrid look, little metal accents here and there with that wood grain texture. Build quality is very good. This thing does have a good heft to it, but it is light enough for one person to move. The material is engineered compressed wood. I haven't seen any issues with that at all though. Assembly was a breeze, although it does come with a lot of components and it can be pretty daunting at first. There's a lot of parts to deal with, but just take things slow, follow the directions, pay attention to the orientation that you install things in, because it is possible for you to get halfway through assembling this until you realize you accidentally put something on backwards. That did happen, and it's my fault because I wasn't paying attention. So keep that in mind. Just take your time, be thorough, and you'll be done before you even know it. So yeah, this is great. I love it. It's a staple of my home now. Definitely worth checking out.